Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah, so we are here today. We are at Burger King.
Batam Center.
Drive-thru in Batam Center. It's located in beside McD and Starbucks there. And then now we're going to enjoy our food because we are hungry. So you want to talk?
So we go in now. I will interview you. What are you eating?
I'm eating quattro chicken cheeseburger.
What is that?
It's you see? Can you help? So we're going to eat.
ASMR.
Chicken beef or fish? Is it chicken?
It's chicken.
Oh yeah, deep fried chicken I think.
Yeah, deep fried. It's fried. You see?
How was it?
It's very good because I'm really hungry.
Why do you put some sauce on it? Forget put that sauce.
Wait.
I think you need a lot of sauce. This is not enough.
Okay. We're going to try again with sauce.
How was the sauce? Usually I don't like Burger King sauce. It's like, cause Burger King sauce is like not that spicy and sour.
Yeah. But I think it's perfect for their burger. Very good.
Cause I hate sour and tomato sauce. Tomato sauce I hate it. It tastes like tomato sauce.
Yeah, it's not that spicy. Nevertheless, it's very good.
Yep. Winata has joining his food now. No comment.
No need to talk, just enjoy.
Why you are not eating?
Cause I'm on my diet. It's been a week now.
Why you are not?
Cause I'm fat.
Okay, I have that. Next vlog, I'll diet. I'll just eat and we'll catch you in the next place. Hello guys.
Hi
So I finished my burger.
Yeah.
And now we are going to try our drinks. This is Super Float Sejora. If you don't know what Sejora is, it's a Nestle product with rasa apa? Oh, the flavor is mango pie. I don't
And
Sejora.
also the ice cream.
Yeah, it's a float.
Vanilla ice cream.
And I drink is iced tea I think.
Lemon.
Oh, lemon iced tea. Ice lemon tea.
Ice lemon tea.
It's Nestle I think.
And then we have
French fries. And
this-
this rice with cheese sauce.
yeah, this is with cheese sauce. And then this is the
Plain one.
yeah, the plain one. Very good. So,
Bon appetit. The French fries is like not that skinny.
yeah.
Fat one. Fat one.
Wait. This French fries is it, if it's too long, you know, like you left it for an hour, it will still at least edible.
Yeah.
If the
And a little bit soft.
you know the May one is a little when you left it
The
for
left side. The left side.
that
That
side
side.
of the restaurant. If you left it for 1 hour, it will be very hard. No, hard.
Oh,
Yeah. Rough.
Ah,
So I think French fries this win. But burger, I think I still love the left one. Yeah.
The M1.
MC. So, do you guys have any?
For me, the cheese sauce, I don't that like because I don't like cheese.
no, I think
It doesn't-
Yeah.
Very-
I don't know that these two other is about cheese sauce.
I think I. Okay.
How about you?
Very delicious. I like the fish sauce. You want?
I think the cheese sauce could use more improvement. It's good, but it's not that good yet.
Okay,
It's not the best.
it's okay.
Yeah, it's not the best, but it's good.
Surprisingly, the chili sauce.
So okay, I think we're gonna end the food review here, right? Thank you for watching us. See you at the next vlog. Discuss with us or anything else.
Bye.
Bye bye.